Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Doom the board game. This exciting tactical combat game pits one invader player against up to 4 Marine players. The invader commands a terrifying army of demons, while the Marines work together to achieve their mission objectives. You'll navigate a modular board, roll custom dice, and deploy detailed miniatures in an epic struggle for survival. Get ready to dive into the action. As a Marine player, your turn is crucial for survival. Each Marine activates individually, getting 2 actions to use wisely. You can move up to 4 spaces, launch an attack against a demon, or interact with various objects on the map. When attacking, you'll roll custom dice, aiming to overcome the demon's armor. Remember to grab any weapons, armor, or health packs you find to boost your chances. The invader player controls the demonic forces, aiming to overwhelm the Marines. During your turn, you'll activate all your demons, moving them and attacking according to their unique unit cards. A key part of your strategy involves using threat tokens. These tokens allow you to spawn new demons onto the board, reinforcing your ranks, and also to play powerful event cards that can dramatically shift the tide of battle in your favor. Winning in Doom, the board game, depends on your role. Marine players achieve victory by successfully completing their mission objectives. These objectives are diverse, ranging from reaching a specific location to defeating powerful boss demons. The invader player, on the other hand, wins if they eliminate all the Marine players or if the Marines fail to complete their objectives within the mission's turn limit. Every decision counts in this intense struggle.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.